Good afternoon, HOLGRO audience. How are you? We are hoping this live is coming to you as it should be. We're testing out a new platform, but we are going to be doing a Seeds of Hope Meet the Experts sort of week in the lead up to our workshop. We thought we'd introduce you to the amazing people who are helping us deliver this workshop, Seeds of Hope. If you haven't heard about it, we'll be sharing more shortly, but I'm joined on the very first one by Mark Varitimos, and I've probably said that wrong, but you can correct me.
No, you did really well. You actually did really well.
With the accent, you've got to do it with the accent. So, Mark, you're taking the second workshop in the series, and you're a holistic health practitioner. Tell me, what do you do? What does that actually mean?
Yeah, so it's essentially helping people reach their health goals with a holistic approach. So I've personally got training in nutrition and lifestyle and exercise and in mindset. So it's essentially trying to help the whole person reach their goal.
Okay.
So with the workshop, we'll be doing some immune system stuff, and you might start asking some questions about that. But it's a really important topic at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, that's a perfect lead in. You've come on volunteering your expertise for this workshop. Tell me a little bit about some of the points that you're going to be covering and why you've chosen those topics.
Yeah, so it's just about bringing in some really practical tips on how you can help boost your immune system with everyday kind of habits. And I'm also going to go through some things that block people from doing that, because a lot of people actually know what to do, but it's very hard to implement. So I'm going to work a little bit with, some strategies on how to implement some really good practices, and then also address some challenges people might have and give some tips around that.
So why is it right now so important for people to be looking at things like the foundations of health, particularly when it comes to immunity? And that might seem like a daft question, but I'll let you answer it.
Yeah, I think just with a lot of focus on it at the moment, in the current pandemic, and what we've even seen statistically is that, people with stronger immune systems, people that don't have comorbidities, are handling things a lot better. So this is really just to provide support to as many people as possible, and just try and get some good information out there. I'm going to deliver a workshop which is going to be packed full of information, and if someone just takes one thing away from that and that can help improve them, then I think it's well worth it.
Yeah, absolutely. And like you said, a lot of people know those basic foundations. Sometimes it's just a reminder or some tools around how to apply it practically in their life easily, because it doesn't need to be, good health doesn't have to be overly complicated. And it is accessible to everybody. And one thing is that stress massively affects the immune system, but also, from a mental health perspective, people are really hurting right now. And that's the whole reason we've decided to do Seeds of Hope and deliver this free workshop to as many different people. People need this support right now. What are some of the reasons that you decided to get on board with this workshop? What resonated with you?
Well, kind of what you just mentioned around the support. I know we both have mentors. We get support. Our mentor, we have a mutual mentor. Our mentor also gets support. It's all about helping each other right now. And, we're at a fairly pivotal, somewhat challenging time in our history. So it's really important that we all bind together and really help work through this together. I did hear a quote once that said, it takes a tribe to solve a riddle. And that's what we're in right now. And I really think we can, by us supporting, your stakeholders, and then we also get support, we can all really help each other learn and grow throughout this process.
Yeah, it's a ripple effect. That's the way I look at it. Everybody pays it forward, but also energetically, there's that ripple effect as well. So, Mark, I'm really looking forward to your session. You're joining us week 2, as I mentioned. For those who haven't registered, make sure that you do. We will, on our Facebook page, there's a stack of different links. Go to the website of holgro.com/seeds of hope for more information and the booking link, but we'll also post it here. So, Mark, thank you so much, and I really look forward to your workshop in a couple of weeks.
Thanks, Laticia. Thanks for your time. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks.